Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to display or hide the field handle. Uh, First of all, you might have this problem of when you want, for example, to write the numbers. For example, let's say you want to start by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you want to that last number, for example, be 100, and you want to select those numbers in order to fill the adjacent cells with that data, those consecutive data, and you can't find where that cursor is not displaying an icon so that you'll be able to do that. So what you want to do, first of all, you will start by picking File, Options, and go to the Advanced. Uh, Under the Editing Options, you will find this option of Enable Field Handle and Set Drag and Drop. You enable that and click OK. After clicking OK, you see that you can now fill the adjacent cells with that series of data. You can continue up to the number that you want. So this is what you will do, the simple and easy. Thank you, and make sure you like and subscribe, of course, and also share. Thank you.